Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make BIR style chicken tikka without Pataks paste. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, let's make the Tikka Masala base. This is a sauce used to both marinate the meat for chicken tikka and in your Tikka Masala curry. In a bowl, add around 500 ml of plain yogurt and 20 ml of vegetable oil. Sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of mint sauce, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of tamarind paste and the juice of 1 small lemon. Mix well to combine and you're good to go. You can now divide the tikka base up into 4 tablespoon portions. Marinate the chicken in some for 24 hours for chicken tikka or get straight on with making your Tikka Masala curry. If you prefer your chicken tikka or Tikka Masala bright red, then simply sprinkle over a quarter teaspoon of red colouring and mix well to combine. I either use Permicol, East End or TRS brand powders, which I'll link in the description below. Each Tikka Masala curry dish requires 4 tablespoons of this paste, so let's use it to make a Tikka Masala curry itself. To begin, heat a pan on low to medium and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Stir through and fry out for a couple of minutes to gently cook out the acidity in the tomatoes and release the fenugreek flavours. Add in 3 tablespoons of coconut powder and 2 tablespoons of ground almonds along with a little base gravy. Mix through and continue to cook for a minute or two, adding a little more base if required to keep things moving. Add 4 tablespoons of the tikka paste you've just made and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Stir through and allow to cook for a minute. Add half of the remaining base and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the remaining base. Today I'm adding a selection of chicken that I marinated yesterday in both the natural red tikka marinade and cooked in my homemade tandoor. If you fancy building one for under £50, the link is popping up now. Make sure the sauce has reduced for another couple of minutes before slowly adding around 75 ml of cream, stirring constantly. Okay, it's time to add your choice of protein, so add 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu and coat to stop it drying out. Continue to reduce for around 5 minutes, stirring the caramelised sides in every couple of minutes. Serve when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when your meat is cooked through if you've used raw meat. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.